Board KC135T.
Yeah, there were two of those strata tankers before. Two F15's there. How high are they?
25,360 feet.
And they're making a mess.
Right.
There they go.
One of those two which you've just got across, one's the F15.
Both one's F.
There'll be two of them.
Oh, I only seen one.
I only seen one there.
There you go. Long trail.
Cons have disappeared.
Can't see out now. There's another one. There's another one.
Oh yeah, let's watch it.
Third one just gone through.
Watch for the bit of cloud. I can't see it yet either.
That's dissolving. Long cons. Very long. The clouds filling in.
I'll actually be able to see which sucks.
As far as it's concerned, there's only one.
There
There
it
it
is.
is.
What's a third? As far as it's concerned, there's only one.
Right.
Did them well, didn't they? That's okay. Surely.
No, just long plumes. Very long.
It's not disappearing though, that one.
You've got to
You
think,
do.
it's minus fucking, it feels like -2 here at the moment. Imagine up there.
Cloud taking it. What we got, cloud? Which way is it going?
To the right.
I don't know.
It's hard to tell. Some are coming over here as well.
Oh, it's
The
going from
liner.
the left. You see that one up there? It's going from the right to the left, so it's like.
So we've got westerlies.
There's nothing else coming.
There's a liner above us. Contrail. A lot shorter contrail than those F15's. Right, all gone now, not to see. Let's see what we've got on radar. Right, for the F15's, there's only one showing, 1991 build. Just get this one quickly. 91-0327, which is Alpha Echo 5 Bravo Charlie 9. ID, that's all it says. There's no call sign. McDonnell Douglas Foxtrot-15 Echo Eagle. 25,000 feet, USAF. The other one that's gone over, the liner, like I said, there's just one showing there, there's three. The liner that, oh, they came up from south, look at that. Looks like they've been up to Scotland. Yep, up to north of Scotland, to the F15's. They've come from Lakenheath, look of it. RAF Lakenheath. Right, the other one just gone over, the liner is a Lufthansa.
Yeah, it is.
It's a 7879 Dreamliner, not trailing.
Mildenhall, by this one, it looks like it's come from.
And we've got Mildenhall, will be. I can't tell anyway, I just did rough on it. Right, we've got one just gone over, UAE, he's not trailing. Thank God. And we've got this USAF strata tanker. QID 32 is up, is call sign. So KC-135 Tango 1959 build. It's come up as just doing ovals at 22,000 feet. Registration 59-1470, which is Alpha Echo 04 Charlie 3, and Quebec India Delta is 32 is his call sign. That's that. Bit of activity from USAF today. Right, flight radar 24 just shows this, like Debbie says, Mildenhall. ID, that's nothing. Aircraft type, nothing. Registration, nothing. Serial number, nothing. 19,000 feet, that's good of them. 493 miles an hour. It does give a code of Alpha Echo 5 Bravo Charlie 9, which might be another one. I don't know what the other one was. Bravo Charlie 9, yeah, it's the same one. And just a quick look, we've got this one here coming up towards us. Altitude ground, 1.98 mile. Little Piper Twin Comanche. Southern Aircraft Consultancy, American. So yeah, he's flying at ground level. Okay, cool. And in other news, this one's flying backwards. Right, Stratotanker KC-135 Tango, that's that one. It's flying backwards, never mind. We've got the Crazy Earthlings on, that's a good one, that's on 3-dar. 1 second, see if we can pull it up. Where is it? Where's the UFO? Doesn't even say a distance, does it? How tight? But there is a little UFO near somewhere on 3-dar, if you want to go and track it down. There's your details. I won't say it's accurate, but it's usually on the radar. I think it's just for the crack. Crazy Earthlings. I don't know. Now here's the 4th F-15 just coming past us. Well, it will be in a second, well, a few minutes, you know. I don't know if we'll be able to see it. We have got blue sky now though. Unlike 3-dar, the KC-135T is going in the right direction. This little one, it's got an altitude 9 on this one, 9460. But yep, F-15 coming through, 23,000 feet, nearly said miles. 1992 registration, 92-0364, which is Alpha Echo 17 Bravo 0. Now the thing about it is, I don't know if I'm going to see it, we'll see. Now I've got that KLM's coming towards us, 31,000, nothing. Nothing untoward there. Quite a bit of a plume muffin, but it's just contrail. See if the F-15 makes an appearance to the left in a few minutes, in a minute or two. I've got 2 engines, where's the 3 trails behind it though? Oh, that's just the way they're pluming out, one down centre, meeting up. Oh, we've got a F-15 now. Oh, there's 3 of them. Hi Deb, out left, front. 3 F-15's all together. Yeah, southbound again. The other's only just gone down south. Radar only shows 1 again. There's 3 there. And these haven't got long trails like the others. Although this nearest is Quest. I don't know if it's nearest.
Oh, look, that one's just shoved its things on the one on the right hand side.
Yeah, I noticed.
You saw that there disappear and then all of a sudden it just...
Oh, it went through cloud.
Yeah,
they're all vanishing through it. There's a bit of cloud over that way. Yeah.
Oh, mate, they've got the trails on though.
I know, it's hard to see. I can only see it through camera.
Cloud dragons, maybe.
23,000 feet then.
They might fly in a formation.
Yeah, they've gone through that cloud. Yeah, they're all side by side. Yeah, they've gone. Well, I don't know if this F-15 speaks for all of them. Out of this 3. Right, 92-0364. I've just done this one, haven't I? So, yeah, 3 of those. The KLM's going up at top of us now, just out of curiosity, because we saw it, you know. It's Papa Hotel Bravo Hotel Lima, Boeing 7879, going across to Mexico City, 31,000 feet. Royal Dutch Airlines. We don't need details anyway, it's flight KLM 685. So, oh, we got is that Eurofighter coming down as well? Right, oh, we are busy. I don't know, they're all heading back down south now. It's only, what time are we? 2:27. The one coming down next Oh, and Tartan 39's coming down as well, the Airbus. That's coming straight at us. He's only at 20,000 feet. Don't know how many Eurofighters will be there, but it's only listing the one at 24,000. That's ZK335, which is 43 Charlie 746. Rogue 013. This is Callsign. Romeo Oscar Golf Uniform Echo 013. Eurofighter Typhoon Foxtrot Golf Romeo 4. Zulu Kilo 335, I got that, didn't I? 43 Charlie 746, yes. There's one coming straight at us as well, which flew up early today. It's Royal Air Force Airbus Voyager KC3 at 20,000 feet. Zulu 336, which is 43 Charlie 6 Foxtrot 9. And Tango November 39, that'll be Tartan 39. TARTAN, but it's just showing us TTN 39. Romeo operator code. So if any of those are spraying, they're very low. And Quid down there, the KC135T is, well, he's doing another loop. He's over at Whitby at the moment. So quite interesting day. Quite a lot of activity, funny enough. And those were Eurofighter Typhoon. Yeah, two of them. Oh, there's at least two. There's two on. There's one showing on radar. ZK335, I think it was, and yet there's two up there. Not to say the both are Eurofighters, really, is it? It's a ball ache, isn't it, this autofocus? There you go, anyway.
What happened there? The basic must be coming from the back.
That's them in front. They're just curving out towards the coast. The Airbus is still out back, coming towards you. These two are doing a tight curve.
I can't see what's
Going towards the cloud. One has vanished, actually. The other's vanished, they're both in clouds, they must be now. There's quite a lot of fighter activity around here today. I've not seen the Drakens up, I don't know what's going on with those. I'll keep an eye out for this Airbus, but funny enough, at 19,000 feet, sometimes you can't see the damn things. You really can't see them. Oh, there's this Eagle, we will have him. They're good at dropping bombs on people, aren't they? Shite hawks. Right, look out for next. And it's right what I say, the Airbus Voyager has gone over and there's no sign of it. I can't even see a dot in the sky. You know, how's that for weird? I mean, you can see aircraft at all heights. You can even virtually, you can make out the shape and everything, even at 36,000, but you get a Airbus going over that belongs to the RAF and you can't see the damn thing at 19,000. Nothing, is there? Nothing at all. If you can see it, well, good on you. I just can't. I've got a few floaters. I can see those dancing about, but that's about it. Nope. Never mind. And confirmation, that's with two Eurofighters, just down as one from Cranwell. It's Eurofighter Typhoon Foxtrot Golf Romeo .4, Zulu Kilo 335, now at 15,800. They've done a bit of meandering, and I guess they're heading back to base. Busy day indeed. And likewise, they're off the coast of Edinburgh, buzzing about. There's no sign of any Drakens out there. Just the Eurofighter. What a view, eh? To be able to take that picture, amazing. No. My God. fascinating, isn't it? To be able to take that, bloody hell. You can even see registration on the damn thing. There's a K335. And upside down. Wow. Neat, innit? Single manned. Sorry about the reflection, it's quite bright out there. FA20 just set off. FFRA. Speak of the devil, eh? And out they come. They're turning our way, I don't know where you're at. Let's have a look. How tight's he doing? Very tight. Oh, he's up here already. There we go. G-FFRA, FFRA. Run out of window. And that one's flying as Foxtrot Romeo Alpha 99. This is a call sign. Well, there's the Qatar. It's a 787 at 37,000 feet. I need to breathe. Terrible. Anyway, I won't push my luck on it. I'll say flight, fella. Contrail. Just thought I'd bring you that quickly. First showing us Cobham Aviation Services on FIDA. On it's Draken International on 360 radar, and it's Draken Europe on Flight Radar 24. So they vary. Certainly vary. I'm just looking up this one. Voluxis. Never heard of them, but interesting. London Biggin Hill Airport. Private jets. Yeah, say no more. You'll learn nothing and you'll be happy. Us, of course. According to Darlow Teesside Airport manoeuvres, this FA20 Foxtrot Romeo Alpha, its call sign FRA 99 is actually Rushton 99, as in Rushton Diesels, RUSHTON. So thought I'd tell you that. I can't really show their website, but there you go. We've got another USAF, no call sign. Basically, he's not coming anywhere near us. Pull him up. He's only at 300 odd feet now anyway. There you go, no details, military. FIDA shows him as where are we? Didn't show him as any bloody thing. It'd help if I get on him, wouldn't it? No, he's not even on there. Right. And Flight Radar 24 is down as no call sign, but it shows as a Boeing Osprey, right? But when you actually click on the picture, you end up with this. A 10 registration belonging to the Black Eagles. It's got a I think a South Korea flag on the back. And it says, look at this lot, USM Extender 1.4. That's a camera, get that right, show you where we at. I've just been looking, it did describe what it is. It's a KAI T-50 Bravo Golden Eagle, South Korea Air Force, according to that. And yet when you actually look at it, it shows as a Boeing Osprey, which is totally different, obviously. Either way, it's not that picture. I think the Osprey's got props. But don't hold me to it. How high is he now? 925. He's climbing again, going across the bottom of us. And there you go. Quick turn. So I don't think we're going to be seeing that. There's still this one up in the air. The KC-135T, he's doing some mileage up there. That's it. really. We're clouding over again. We got northerlies today, so we're so lucky. And before they get to us where the clouds are, 2 more Typhoons heading southbound, Rogue 11. These 2 are down as. A quick look, see if we can get them much clearer. Anyway, that's what they're showing us, 2 Typhoons. Well, they're showing us 1. Long trails, 30,000 feet. There's the 2 Typhoons, both registering as Zulu Kilo 433 and Rogue 011 as Callsign. 43 Charlie 7 Alpha Alpha is the other identification for that one. There's just the one, according to that. 2 according to the sky. Zoom out from that. Already gone past, there we are, Rogue 11. There they are. Tifa, keep your logo still.